Hello, this is your cameraman Daniel for this last video of today. And now we're going to go to aftermath video. I think I feel some raindrops coming in me. I don't know. Now these guys at the construction site is gone. You don't have to worry about that till maybe Monday. They're going to start this crap again. I'll show you after this. Usually I do aftermath in the mornings. Yeah. But when they're here the whole day, when they're here about 3 hours, hold on. I had to do this like kind of later, when it's so dark out there. Now we're going to go into the, here's aftermath. And look what they did to this beautiful forest. This is like the Fun Gully, the last rainforest. An animated movie not made from Disney. It was made at Fox. Yeah, we're gonna walk through the mud. Yeah. Take off your shoes when you get inside. Look at this. What they did to it. This is the only good time to be doing this because of the this is an aftermath of the construction site. Right now they're working on the a patio over there for this house over there. Yeah, something they've been doing recently since the beginning of this week. They're building a patio house. Yeah, there's some rocks and rubbles and such for what they did. It's still sunsets anyway, and this is the tower over there through the courtyard. Everything. The trucks or bulldozers are still there till Monday or maybe tomorrow. Who the hell knows anything? So I hope you're. Well, just that's it for the aftermath video. Until then, I'll see you next time for more updates. And comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like other videos. Good night, folks, and I'll see you next time. But when I give you updates of the construction on Laurel Boulevard, Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Good night, everybody. Enjoy the evening.